What's going on, everyone? Back again with another video. So today's video, guys, we're in the process of installing 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit backup camera. This will apply to any platform that does not have a backup camera, and say you're upgrading to the 8.4 inch screen and you're not sure, you can always look at the trunk, see if it's pre-wired or not. But if you're installing a backup camera, you do not want to use those mirror cameras, and you want to go factory as best as possible. There's a company that does sell a kit for you. You can look them up on, I won't say eBay, because previously they were on eBay, but now you have to look up their website. That is their website information right there. I will put it up on the link as well, on the description as well for you, so that it's just a little bit easier for you. They do sell a kit that you can use for your, it says 2014 my equipped 5 or 8.4 screen, 2014 and up Dodge Charger. Can be 2014. Well, 2014 generally, I would say, yeah. I guess if you're upgrading your radio and all that stuff. I think the 2014 are usually pre-wired already. I think it's the 2011 that's not. Could be wrong, but anyway, 2015 is not. 2016, I said, might be pre-wired. So if you're pre-wired, then you're fortunate. Then you don't have to worry about this. But I did this video previously in sometime last year, and people struggled with it just because they couldn't figure out the wiring, and I could not open up the card because I had sold the card. Couldn't try to help them out by telling them on the chat how to do it, but it seems like people still struggled with that instruction. So I'm hoping that this is somewhat useful. The two wires you're gonna need, guys, is these ones right here. Okay, you're gonna need this wire. You're gonna need that wire, and that is gonna be for your RC cable. As you can see, it's your RC cable. Don't mind the mess. I'm in the process of doing all this, so don't mind the mess. So RC cable right there, and then you're gonna have the cable that goes to the backup camera, which is this guy. It does not come with this protective shield, whatever it is. I have a whole roll. So I decided to wrap it up just because this unit does get hot. It's warm. It does get hot. I don't want the wires getting hot and all that stuff. So I just wrapped it up. I use that as my ground. Can I use that one as a ground? Got to use that as a ground. And then you need your power. Power, I decided to use my radio power instead, which is 12 volt. It's the red wire. Okay. Most people do use the reverse camera the reverse tail light as their power. You can use that. That's just one wire. You're just going to end up running anyways. But you can use that if you wanted to. Just run a wire all the way back here and all that stuff. But it's completely up to you, however you want to do it. That worked and all that stuff. So as you can see right here, this has been a week's project just because I had to wait for my GPS to come in, since my unit does have navigation on there. I decided to get a GPS, and when it came, I decided to hook it up. $8 off of Amazon. You can go to Amazon and just search for backup camera. No, Amazon GPS for your 2015 Dodge Charger. This cable is not right. What I did was I just snipped the opposite edge, just snipped it a little bit, and it just went through, no problem. But back to this. As you can see, reverse. There it is. It's working. I haven't finalized everything yet, just because now it's just a matter of just putting them in place and closing it up. The state is ready, just have to, wire it up. And then the back of it, I'm installing the camera where I want it to be. Just wanted to go ahead and do this video for you guys so that you're aware of how to wire it. Again, you can always go back to the video, but you're going to have these two cables right here. That's your RC cable. Wired it up to the greens, and then your power, ground, you're done. You'll have to get your unit unlocked. If yours is not unlocked, you'll have to get it unlocked. I unlocked mine myself, and you can use your taser from Z Automotive to do that, or you can contact the dealership and see how much they charge to take care of that. If you're in need of a radio which is already unlocked, you have two options. You can go on eBay and just search in there. Sometimes they're between $450, $500, $600, Jesse Carter, I think on Facebook, he generally sells them as well, so he sells them for a decent price as well. He's got to make his profit. I understand it's a business for him anyways. but he sells them for a good price, and he does provide a he provides you with support, definite support. If you need anything, he can definitely provide support, and he does provide codes for you as well, so you won't have to even go to the dealership and pay that extra fee to get it unlocked as well. Okay. A lot of people can vouch for him. I can definitely vouch for him as well. I've bought from him. My twin brothers bought from him. A lot of other people bought from him. I didn't buy this from him. I did not. I won't lie to you. I bought mine off of eBay just because I found a good deal off of eBay and I grabbed it, you know, and all. But generally, they do sell for about $400, $500, $600, you know, just depending on which model it is. You got to V8 was it VP? I can't remember. Is it a VP? Yeah, VP4 is the one with navigation. VP3 is without navigation. So be careful when you're buying them. If somebody tells you, "Oh yeah, it has navigation," make sure that you verified the model. Have them send you a photo of it at the back of it and verify it and all. But VP4 has navigation. VP3 does not. The VP3 are generally cheaper. Another one that is cheaper is you can use I think the Dodge. They said that you can use the Dodge Ram. Dodge Ram, I think it is, screen. But I don't think so, just because your mounting needs to be top and bottom, whilst the Dodge Ram, the mounting is about on the side, like somewhere on the side, like sideways, which technically can't be. It has to be top and bottom. All right, so be careful with that. And gonna go ahead and start closing this thing up before it starts to rain. It's been a week's project for me over here, just because it's been raining here every day, and I had to wait for my GPS just because I was not trying to reopen this thing when the GPS comes in. So everything is installed. We're gonna close it up and we'll call it. Yeah, it'll be easy. If you've got any questions, again, I will link up their information as well. It ran me about $97, $98 with a backup camera. They do sell it without the backup camera option. If you don't want it, you can get it without the backup camera. But the backup camera, I think, was like a few dollars extra. It wasn't very expensive, and it works. All right. Yeah. Oh, backup camera, they updated as well. So it's before, the backup camera would be installed on your bumper, like underneath. The one they provide me goes through your trunk and all. So they will provide a drill bit for you as well, but that drill bit is crap. I won't lie to you. I tried to use it, and it ended up killing all the teeth on it without cutting through the trunk. So I had to use my other drill in order to take care of that, and that's pretty much done. I'm just charging it, and then we're gonna go ahead, go to the back of it, and just finish up the install. All right, peoples, I will put up their information, their website, on the description. Should you be interested, you can check it out. But if you have any questions, you know what to do. Last thing I want to cover, they do not provide this cover shield over here. This is just something that I just have, and as you can see, they don't provide this. And the reason why I put it on there is because this unit definitely gets hot. It gets hot. All right, take it easy. All right, people, so this is just a follow-up, but everything is pretty much installed in the vehicle. As you can see, everything is put back together. Pretty much cleaned up my tools, started up the car. That thing I thought would go away, but apparently it didn't, but I'll deal with that later. Oh yeah, I gotta get some air in my tires. But anyways, navigation does work. I'm not gonna really hit on the map just because it'll pretty much show my address. But put it on reverse. I just need to lower that camera a little bit more, but put it on reverse and it works. As you can see, backup camera works on the 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit. And that's the camera right there, which we will just lower. Oh, there we go. We'll just lower that a little bit, and that's it.